Hey, welcome back to WeatherBug on a Wednesday. Meteorologist Todd Nelson with a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast. Still is very hot in the west, cooling down in the east thanks to a pretty potent air mass, cool air mass. And looking at that southern severe threat with some flooding rain in the southern part of the U.S. as well. So the heat is still here in the southwest and also to the west. 88 yesterday in Seattle, 91 in Portland, and 98 in Salt Lake. Some record highs being found there. We only had 70 in Chicago and even a little cooler out there today. And some 80s and 90s along the eastern seaboard, along with a tremendous amount of heavy rain and even some severe weather. Today, Chicago will be 21 degrees cooler than average, 10 degrees cooler than average in St. Louis, but lots of sunshine within this particular area. Maybe a couple of lingering showers along the eastern seaboard, at least early, but things will be quieting down for us. Better chance of showers and storms as you get out over Texas, down into the front range of the Rockies there, but this high amplitude weather pattern continues. Big ridge in the west and then a trough in the east. It does appear, though, that that ridge in the west is going to be shifting off into the central U.S. as we get into this, say, weekend and early next week. So where it is cool now, the heat is going to be bubbling back, so enjoy that cooler weather while you have it. Better chance of severe weather today from, say, just south of Denver and the Palmer Divide into West Texas, and that's where we have a slightly higher tornado threat today. Kind of hail and high winds being the primary threat. And then heading into the day tomorrow, that threat shifting a little bit farther east. We're talking from the hill country on into the Arklatex region. And then by your Friday, still that threat for some strong severe storms in the lower Mississippi Valley. But this particular area is going to be conducive of some exceptional rainfall and even flooding. That's about 2 to 4 inches of rain potentially there. So we're going to have to keep an eye on that thunder threat from Texas into the lower Mississippi Valley over the next couple of days.